Good morning, students. As you know that today we are going to study models in narration. This is fourth lecture of narration. In previous videos, we have covered about what is narration, what is reporting verb, what is reported speech, what is direct speech, what is indirect speech, what is inverted commas, pronoun change, tense change. In previous videos, we have covered this topic. If you have any doubt about this, you can see my previous videos. So let's begin today. New chapter we start models. If there is any models in reported speech, how we can change models for in narration. So let's begin now. In previous video, we have deeply discussed if our reporting verb is in past tense, then the tense of reported speech also will be in past. For example, let's see. He said, "I am good boy." So here reporting verb is in past and reported speech tense is in present. So reporting verb is in past and reported speech tense is in present. In previous video we had deeply discussed. He said and I first pronoun. हमने एक फॉर्मूला आपको दिया था SON upon 1 2 3. फर्स्ट पर्सन चेंज रिगार्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट, सेकंड पर्सन चेंज रिगार्डिंग टू ऑब्जेक्ट, थर्ड पर्सन कोई चेंज नहीं होता. फर्स्ट पर्सन आई चेंज रिगार्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट ही. In the place of inverted comma we always put that. He. अब यहाँ हमारा रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट टेंस है तो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के टेंस में हम लोग पास्ट में कर देंगे. He was a good boy. Reporting verb. अब how we can change tense in reported speech? In previous video, a full chapter is depend on only tense changing. So if you have any doubt, you can see my second lecture tense changing. So today we are going to study models. If there is any models in narration, how we can change them? Models can का कोड हो जाता है may become might, shall become should, will become would, and should को शुड भी रखते हैं और कुड को कुड ही रखते हैं. If any model verbs come in reported speech, that time can become could, may become might, shall become should, will become would, should, and could not change. So let's see this example. I said I can play. Here models can become could. I said that I could play. Now can become could. He said the boy may go. He said that the boy, here the boy is third person, so it is not changed. The boy might go. May become might. He said, I shall sing. Then he said that I change according to subject. In the place of I, we put he. He should see. Ram said Shyam will see the movie. Ram said that Shyam would see the movie. You see clearly how modal change can become could, may become might, shall become should, will become would. You can see with example and easily understand how change the models. If there is any report, if there is any report in reporting verb is in past tense, then the tense of reported speech also will be in past. But if there is any modal verb, modal change can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would. And last we see that should and could not change. How we see with example. Ram said you should work out daily. You, when there is no any object in reporting work, and that time you change according to object. अगर कहीं रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब में ऑब्जेक्ट ना हो और रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में यू आ जाए तो उस जगह पर हम आई मान लेते हैं. राम सेड दैट आई शुड वर्क आउट डेली. नाउ शुड नॉट चेंज. Should not change. Should not. And let's see, could. he said that I change according to subject. So in the place of I we put he, because first person change according to subject. He could earn money. So I hope that you clear about models in narration. If there is model verbs, how we can change into can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, and should and could never change. So I hope that you clear. If you have any doubt, you can see my previous video because it is fourth lecture of narration. Thanks for seeing my video.